The sound of the $293,200 911 GT2 RS resembles nothing in the current Porsche lineup, or out and about right now, period. Sledge, the floor-mounted quickening agent pedal, and the GT2 RS spits crude, resonant frequencies that will roll your spine and influence your hair to remain on end. We needed to make a legitimate turbo. Porsche's Andreas Preuninger, who's accountable for Porsche Elite GT scope of autos like the 911 GT3 and Cayman GT4, says, in light of the fact that these days turbos have a tendency to get changed in a way that they feel like 10-liter, naturally aspirated, motors, and that is not the fact. Preuninger's voice accelerates, similar to a buzzing compressor. I think a turbo engine has such a large number of intriguing sounds and qualities. I needed this turbo to burble and invade, to make murmuring hints of the wastegate and mechanical clamors. The breathing of the motor, the way it develops control, even a little turbo slack, for what reason not? The GT2 RS must be extraordinary, and it is. For sure. An extensive aspect of Preuninger's responsibilities includes saving the organization's dawning soul and road-going vehicles, which is an especially basic piece of Porsche's business. Get a GT right, and you can control the pundits who say the maker is losing the plot by building Cayenne and Panamas, miss the point, and you hazard distancing the diehards and Porsche evangelists. This time around, Preuninger went old-fashioned to make that slippery contrast. He delved into the Porsche Historical Center accumulation and put a 1970s Time 935 turbo and a few turbocharged race cars on a lift, estimating things like admission sprinter lengths and the header distances across. The discoveries helped shape the GT2 RS's supreme cry. In spite of the fact that the GT2 RS offers genuine sudden stunning exhibition on open streets, it's far superior suited to places like the 2.9-mile Algarve International Circuit in Portimao, Portugal. Pursuing a 918 Spider steered by none other than Lars Kern, the Porsche test pilot who set the lap record at the Nürburgring, uncovers an awesome arrangement about the RS's relative execution limits. First of all, there's the conspicuous unbelievable limit with respect to eating up straight line separate. Motor torque is robust to the point that I figured out how to turn the tires in third rigging, going tough. Gratefully, the footing control framework is sufficiently consistent that these concise snapshots of wheel spin are difficult to see unless your buttometer is especially delicate, or you have the advantage of looking down at the dashboard for the little yellow footing light. Remain smooth and fair with the throttle, and you'll be compensated with shockingly consistent elements which convey the correct connection between auto, body, and tire contact.